So, okay, so there's on October 4th, which is Wednesday of 2023, this we will have the emergency alert system test coming at 2:20 p.m. So be ready and be prepared because this will be broadcast on all the electronics like cell phones and televisions and radios. So I might have school and I might get braces. So I will use a radio just to hear the transmission of the emergency alert system test. So, yep, I can bring a radio with me just to hear the test of the emergency alert system. So, yep, that's it for the video. So, I'll see you guys later.